You are about to make a massive mistake with Gemini. Millions of people are rushing to try Google new AI, but they are leaving behind their most valuable asset. If you just open a blank chat right now, you are essentially hiring a genius level assistant and giving them total amnesia. But there is a hidden 3-minute copy paste workflow that clones your old AI brain and teleport it directly into Gemini. If you do this right, your new AI will sound exactly like you. Know your business inside out and write perfect content from day one. If you skip this, you will waste hours fighting with the generic robotic output. I'm going to show you the exactly how to extract a digital identity from your current AI and inject into Gemini before this timer hits zero. What if I told you you never have to train an AI from scratch ever again? Yes, Google Gemini just quietly dropped a brand new game changing features that almost nobody knows about, the import memory tool. That's right, you can now take everything your current AI knows about you, your tone, your preferences, your entire chat history, and teleport it straight into Gemini. Today, I'm going to show you the exact step by step process to clone your AI memories in a minute. Stop wasting time re explaining who you are. Let's get your new assistant up to speed. Let's go. First, open up a Google Gemini. Look down at the bottom left corner of your screen and click on the grid icon. A new menu will pop up. From here, select the third option which says Import Memory to Gemini. Instantly, you see a total brand new layout with two different options to bring your data over via a direct prompt or by uploading a zip file. We are going to cover both in detail, starting with the prompt method. Option number one is importing via prompt. Gemini will actually give you a specific prompt to use with your other AI provider. All you need to do is copy the exact prompt from Gemini and head over to ChatGPT, Claude, or any AI you currently use. For this example, we are using ChatGPT. Paste the prompt into the chat box. But hold on, before you hit enter, you can customize it. Yes, you can add specific details. For example, tell your AI what to call you. You can type, my username is AK. So set my preference to always call me AK. You can also set a time frame. Tell the AI to gather your detail starting from a specific year like 2023. Once you add those details, hit enter. Now ChatGPT will start gathering a massive output of your core memory and preferences for you. Let's wait to finish it. Once the entire response is generated from ChatGPT, copy the response and head back to Gemini and paste that prompt into the second box on your screen and click on Add Memory. Boom! Now Gemini will start importing your entire memory from another AI tool. Once it's done, your AI is fully trained on you. Now let's talk about the second option, importing your entire chat history via zip file. Same as before, you go to the import memory menu in Gemini. But this time, let's go get a file first. Head over to ChatGPT, click your profile icon in the bottom left and open Settings. Go to the Data Control and select very last option that says Export Data. Click Export. Now pay close attention to this warning. Your data will be sent to your registered email address as a downloadable link, and the link will expire exactly in 24 hours. So don't wait around. click confirm. ChatGPT will send a verification code on your registered email address. Go to your inbox, copy the code and paste it back into the ChatGPT to verify your identity. Once verified, ChatGPT will email you the export zip file. I have already downloaded my zip file for this video. So let's head back to Gemini. Click the add button under the zip option. Select the zip file you have just downloaded and hit open. Gemini will start extracting your history. Give it a moment and you'll see a successful message showing the exact date your data was imported. But what if you have made mistake or import the wrong file? It's easy to reverse. Right next to your import data, there is a trash icon button. Just click it to undo the import. If you want to wipe the slate completely clean, go to your personal contacts tab and select delete all. Your information is totally wiped that you have given to your AI. You are back to blank slate. If this workflow helped you out, please let me know by smashing the subscribe button so I can keep bringing you the best AI tutorial on the internet. I'll see you in next video. Thank you.